And today what we have for you is this 3D puzzle of the solar system. That's right, this is a puzzle that has, let me see, 173 pieces and a book, and it's made out of the foam core paper, and you actually punch all the pieces out and you put it together and you get a model of the solar system. We've already built it. You can see that the time lapse has been going, showing the actual full build. But what we're going to do now is we're going to bring the camera down, and Carter is going to show you how this works and show you all the different planets. You ready, Carter?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. So as you can see, the model displays the sun and all the planets. It's going to also display the different orbits of the planets, and you can actually move the planets around the orbits as well. Carter, can you name all the planets? What's the big one in the middle?
That's the sun.
What's this one?
That is Mercury.
And what's this one over here?
Venus.
And then what's this one over here?
Mars.
What's this one?
Earth.
What's this one?
Saturn.
What's this one?
That's Neptune.
What's this one?
That is
Jupiter.
Oh, yeah.
It's got the big red spot. And what's this one? Your favorite planet?
Uranus.
Planet Uranus. That's right. So as you can see, you can adjust the orbits of each of the planets around the sun, so you can actually model and replicate actual positions of the planets. This is great for teaching your children about the planets in the solar system and how the orbits and the rotations work. And it's also great for science fair projects and school projects as well. It took us about an hour and 40 minutes to build this, but it was quite easy. It just took a while to punch out all the little centers for all these little tabs and everything. It wasn't very difficult. It was just a little time consuming, but it was also a fun family project. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.